Welcome to Ideals Board. Let's take a look at how quick and easy our survey requests are. Survey requests are emailed directly to your inbox. Search for the invitation and click Take Survey to get started. Log into your workspace as usual to view the survey. Once logged in, you will be taken directly to the survey. When you are ready, begin working through the questions, with all progress saved automatically. Once you have completed your answers, click Next to continue. Some surveys may require your signature to confirm your participation. Finalize your answers by clicking Submit. In the Details tab, you can view other participants, check the survey's progress and due date, and download your own answers if needed. Now you know how to respond to survey requests within Ideals Board. For more information, head to our Help Center.